I like this little cutoff right here. It's like off the beaten trail. When I come to hike at Nalley Brown, got this cool little area where I can come down here and chill. Good Sunday, people. So I come here to get my energized for the week. This place is beautiful. Nalley Brown. This natural stream. Come down here and have a seat. Just sit here and stare at the stream and manifest and put my affirmations out there what I want to go for a wonderful week. And then I sit back and watch my blessings come through. And I show gratitude and abundance, and I get out here, enjoy God's beautiful nature. Nalley Brown, this place is vast. This is my little quiet spot where I come down here and just chill and relax. Get out and enjoy nature. Nature's bounty. Thank you for watching my video.